don't ask for the answer too quick, okay? Please. And like some people are smart here, but I'm not as smart as them. So.
I don't understand your voice. Your voice is not very clear. Dhruv, repeat
So
the.
I'm asking to give us a little bit of time before you ask for the answer.
Okay, sure. Take your time. Take your time.
Thank you.
Nicola, done?
Sir, I'm preparing the picture from the previous exam question, so I didn't read. Let me read.
Okay, sure.
So sorry.
Sipade.
Yeah, I found, I'm not sure if it's correct, but I found 115.29, which means 115.29 yen equals to €1.
100.
I got
1 point.
0.29.
Who said 0.29?
Mimi, 115.29.
Okay.
I got 114.67. €1 is 114.67 yen.
114.67. David, you find out any answer?
No, I'm stuck, sir.
I got the same as.
Take 2 minutes more. Jackie,
Yeah, sir.
you understand what's going on?
I couldn't figure it out.
I got the same one as
Figured
Bella.
it out.
Bella. I got the same one as Bella.
Okay. Laura,
I got a little bit different, 0.0087.
3 zeros or 2 zeros? 0.0080. Okay, 2 zeros.
2 zeros.
Okay.
I think that is the opposite.
Exactly.
Okay. It's good that you have different answers. So I would very happy that you are learning. At least you are trying to learn. Otherwise, normally in online lectures, people copy and just speak. That's it. And you're actually doing this one. It really makes me happy. Okay. Anyone else who have different answer?
I also find the 1.1529.
Yeah, same. I also have the same one.
Yeah.
No. Okay, you tell me 115.29 or it's 1.1529?
No, it's right how you wrote it. It's 115.29.
And Nicola, you find out 1.1529, right?
Yeah, but I think because if he, no, I will wait for the
David, Alima, Camila.
I have one.
I got the same
29.
answer as Laura.
Alima, you were saying something?
Oh, it
Yeah,
was me.
I got the same answer as Laura.
Okay, very nice. Okay.
Sir, I got an answer. It's 115.
Yeah, I have the same one.
Okay, your answer should be.
Sir, if what?
Yes, sir. It's the right one.
Should I need to explain?
Oh my God, we didn't understand the question. I was looking for like, how much do you get if you give €1? How much yen do you get? And not the opposite.
Okay, let's do that. Step 1. Oh, come on. Step 1. So read the question and find out one rate. Assume that $1 equals to 85.85 euros. It means $1 equals to 0.85 euros. This is the ratio of euro over dollar. $1 is equal to 0.85 euro. Understand? We can write it down 0.85 by 1 at 0.85. Come on, 0.85, right? Number 2, $1 is equal to 98 yen, which means, let me just wait so that you won't confuse. Here, that is $1 is equal to 98 yen, or we can say that it's 98, right? And what you have to find out, the value of yen in euros. What do you need to find out? The value of yen. This is our interest.
So yen is an denominator. Yeah.
Yes, because we need to find out what is, how much 1 yen is equal to how much in euros, right? We need to find out this. Now you get it? And now you need to create this dimension, euro over yen. You separate it with 2 ratios. In one ratio, euro should be in numerator, and in other ratio, yen should be in denominator, so that when they multiply, answer would be this. And what we have common here? Dollar. So if you still don't understand this, let me just give you the example here. For example, here, 12 over 7. You can also find out 12 over 7 when you 12 by 11 multiply by 11 over 7. Answer is 12 by 7. How? 11 cancel. Answer would be 12 by 7, right? So I'm replicating this property of mathematics. Understand?
Yes.
And now just put the answers, that's it. So do we have yen over, euro over dollar? We have it. We can write it down. The value of euro over dollar is 0.85. 0.85. Do we have the value of dollar over yen? No. We have the value of yen over dollar. If we want to find out the dollar over yen, this would be reverse. It is equal to 1 over 98, which means 98 yen would make up $1. Just reverse it. So answer would be 1 over 98. So it means 0.85 divided by 98. Answer would be 0.008. Or if you go to fourth one, that is 7. Understand?
Sir, could you do something, please? Could you tell us what €1 equals to in terms of yuan?
€1 in terms of
yen. How much do we get for €1? How much yen do we get for €1?
you are asking how much €1 is equal to yen.
Yes, the opposite.
The opposite one. That would be.
Yes.
So this is
115, right?
this would be. This is the answer of euro of yen, and we want to find out reverse. So answer would be 1/0.0087. And what is the value of this one? You can just calculate. Let me, and that is 1 divided by 0.0086. It's 11627 because I use fourth.
Oh no. I think my calculator is broken.
No, because you use, I think, less values after decimal. I use 4 value after decimal. But here, you need to find out this yen in terms of euro, which means you need to find out this ratio. What is the value of 1 yen in terms of euro? And that is 1 yen is equal to how much euro? 0.0087.
So we cannot do like 98 over 0.85.
When if you do that, that is the value of euro in terms of yen, which means the answer would be €1 is equal to 115 or 116 yen. You found out this. I ask you to find out
The
1
opposite.
yen is
So
equal
basically, we were right. We
to
just
what euro.
we didn't understand the question. That was the problem, right? So
That, yes.
yen in
In that
euro.
one, that's why I'm trying to make you understand this method so that you understand what you are trying to extract.
Okay, okay, sir. I was wondering, can we have a small break, please, right now? Like not so long.
Okay.
If that's okay with
You
your
need that
with your
break
schedule.
because it's gonna be a lot for you to digest. Okay, I'm giving you a break of 10 minutes and then we gather together.
All right, thank you very much. And Nicola also.
Okay, welcome back from a short break. Okay, let's discuss further. Okay, now let's talk about what are the currency derivatives. Okay, let me just stop the video. I'm gonna using this pen, so I need to stop. Okay, here. So currency derivatives, number 1 is called forward contract, number 2 is called future contract, and then number 3 is called options. Currency derivatives, it means the value of the currency is dependent on some other event. Derivative means the value of the instrument, in this case we are talking about currency. So the currency derivative is the value of currency depends on some event. So number 1 is called forward contract, which means agreement between foreign exchange dealer and an MNC. It can be some rich guy, can be banks, can be anyone, right? It is agreement between dealer and a person or a company that specify the currencies to be exchanged, the exchange rate and the date at which the transaction will be occurred. So let's talk about that. Let me remove my screen. Here we go. Yes. Here. So a forward contract is a contract between buyer and seller. The buyer or seller, you can just switch it off. Okay, just let me clear because they're gonna be more.